You can make this level of game without actually knowing how to code and make thousands of dollars monthly sitting at your home at USA. So without wasting your time, let's dive into our video. First, open ChatGPT and type this prompt. ChatGPT will give you a long response. Copy it. And then come to Claude AI, paste the response you copied. Then wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Claude will make the game. Now play the game, note the glitches and bugs faced while playing and fix them by giving command to Claude. Claude will fix it immediately. If you want to add some more details or fix any bug, then again give command to Claude to fix it. Like the video and comment if you face any problem.